To you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can fix Instagram couldn't load the image tab to retry. See here in the chat conversation in the Instagram DM I faced this error. Let us see how we can fix that, and there is a 100% solution for this. Just observe the video. So as I too faced the same issue, I solved the problem of image couldn't load. Now the images are coming. What I did is I just uh, cleared the cache of Instagram. Tap and hold on Instagram, you will get I symbol. Click on this I symbol, and under storage you will have this option clear data. Just clear data, and your Instagram login information and everything will be cleared. Means when you open, after clicking this clear data, when you open Instagram, it will ask you to log in again. So you need to log in with your username and password again, and then ask your friend to send the image, and now you will get image without any error, like image couldn't load or something like that. So please do this step and check it, and your problem will get solved. So if it didn't solve, just open Play Store and search for Instagram and see whether there is any update available. If there is any update available, please update the app so that the error gets solved. And I tried that. By clearing the data of Instagram, my problem got solved. Another way to clear Instagram data is click on settings, then apps, and under apps you can click on app management and search for Instagram, and here from this you can clear data anyhow. You can go that. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.